I go into one community and I'm called, a white bee, and I go into another community and I'm called a derogatory term, like go back to your country, and I'm like, this is my country. I was born here, and they're like, or they'll ask me, so where are you from? And I'm like, I'm American, but where are you really from? And I'm like, I was born in New York. No, but why don't? And I'm like, well, what's your ethnicity? And I'm like, well, what's yours? And they're like speechless because they don't think about it. They just, a lot of them, they just think that they're white, or, they think that they're black, and I'm like, well, if you're white, there's Northern Ireland, there's Wales, there's, German, there's, there's all kinds of, there's different ethnicities within, so what are you? If you can't answer me, then I refuse to answer you, because I don't have to give you that information. And even though where I am technically from is actually considered a United States territory, for me, it's not a different country. I would be American whether I was born there or not. And it's up to the people who, if they really care, they can look it up. I saw you unmute, Sal.
Yeah, this is actually a mental sickness. I think it's a mental sickness people are carrying over the world everywhere.
Yeah.
But do you know where it starts? It starts exactly where you said, Abby. This question is the most lethal one. Where are you from? It's exactly there where it starts.
I hate that question.
Yes.
Where are you really from?
Yes,
And
it's
like,
so stupid. Oh, Sudanese people would tell you, if you would say I'm Sudanese, they would say, what are you? I'm Sudanese.
What part of they would say what part of Sudan you're from? Yeah, that's right.
It's like which part or which tribe, or like they will not just accept the fact that you say I'm Sudanese.
Yeah, that's
It's
true.
so stupid. Swiss people, even though I look different, if they ask me, are you Swiss, and I would say yes, they would just leave it be. Nobody will ask you, where are you from?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm obviously, like, clearly not a Swiss person. So
Yeah.
it's, yeah. Or assuming things is just crazy.
Yeah.
Like, oh, you have blue eyes. Definitely your father is a Swiss person. No, he's not. And this is my own people saying, it's not the Europeans discriminating. It is my own people.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Khalid. I'm putting your people down.
No, it's all right. Well. That's a fact. That's a fact. Not at all. It's all good. That's a fact. You have to face reality.
Yeah.
Even from our
Being
own people,
human,
no matter how good they look.
Being a human being isn't enough,
Unfortunately, it is not enough nowadays. Yeah, but like I think we have to fight against it. Like I know our parents, they gave in to this, and instead of fighting for and dividing people into groups and saying, no, we need more laws for people of color, or we need more laws for people who are Hispanic. We just have to say we need equal laws. We are all equal. And if you are against a Hispanic person, even though I am not, then you're against me as well. If you dehumanize somebody, then you dehumanized all of us.
True. It's true.
Like, it shouldn't matter where you're from.
Well, I know I was born here and it doesn't matter, but either way, for me, it's just become irrelevant because, I see the fact that It doesn't matter how, because people adapt. Before,
for nowadays, it's matter. Yeah. And
before people had the audacity to use those racial slurs and terms, and now they will do it on a systemic level, or they'll even be aggressive, because sometimes you might think, like earlier somebody was talking, well, you know, if I go and I punch someone in the face and you know, because of how they look versus because they piss me off, and how do you know that you, how do I know that you didn't get pissed off because of how they looked and you use that as an excuse to be aggressive? You know, that also needs to be said, because I've seen that. If anything, I saw that a few days ago. I was at the grocery, you know, I was in the grocery, and one woman, she pushed a cart and into a child, you know, of another woman who was standing in front of her in line. And then, you know, the lady says, why did you push my son? Why did you do that? And she's like, oh, your son got in the way. And I was, you know, I'm trying to put my stuff here. I'm not going to mention what races they are, you know, but the woman was like, you know, you have to tell your son to move next time. And she's like, no, you don't have to do that. He's a child. You didn't have to use your cart to do that. And she's like, well, I can say whatever the hell I want because this is a free country and I've got freedom of speech. And like half the store stopped and looked at her, and literally everybody was telling her off. They were like, no, we got to call the police because what you did, it has nothing to do with your free speech. You just assaulted a child, period. You know? And I mean, when they said that, that was when I was actually leaving the store. So I didn't get to see the rest, but anybody who would have been in that store can clearly see that it was racially motivated, you know?
Yes.
What's my real name? Abby.
Oh my goodness.
Go ahead, Sal.
Even if she didn't want to share her real name, why are you asking about it? Oh my goodness.
That's funny.
Can I be just once in a voice room, Abby, where you don't get like marriage proposal or like just for once, Abby?
What?
Everybody wants Abby. They want to know her real name. They want to know everything about her.
Oh, you want me to take my picture down?
No, don't give in.
It's not even a marriage proposal.
Do you know why I have a picture of me showing my back, Abby? Because I have somebody who got me so traumatized and got me so I had paranoia from it, because he said, I screenshotted your picture and I will look at it every morning and satisfy myself. That's how I'm going to phrase it now. So I took my face off Hello Talk. So men are creepy here sometimes.
No, I get you.
Yeah.
I mean, I've come to this room a few times, but I'm not sure that I come long enough to, you know, I mean, I'm not here every single day, you know, so I don't know. I mean, of course I've had my fair share of issues, but you know, these are men, you know. And
your voice is cutting. Yeah.
No, it's your connection, Abdul. We hear her clearly.
Yeah, I can hear her clearly too.
Jeezy, welcome to Jeezy in Nigeria.
What did you ask her? What's the question you asked?
We didn't know. I just said welcome to Jeezy because Jeezy connection is bad in Algeria. I'm speaking.
No. I'm not using Jeezy. No.
Okay.
Not using Jeezy.
Okay. It's not good anyway.
I'm using home internet Wi-Fi. What?
It's not good anyway.
It's not good. Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Do you know Algeria? How did you know Jeezy or Orido?
I
How
have
did you
been
know
to
that?
Algeria. I have been to Algeria several times. That's why.
Yeah.
So yes. You know, the
Stephen
first
is like,
time.
oh,
What is
go
wrong
ahead.
with Stephen? You know, the funny thing. The first time I was in Algeria, they didn't even have Google Maps. You know how many times I got lost?
What?
The first
No, they
time
have.
I was,
What?
they have it now, but before they didn't have it. It was a long time ago. The first time I went, so yeah, it
Maybe
was.
before, I don't know, 15 years maybe or more. I
Yes,
don't
the
know,
first
maybe.
time. Yes, before. Yeah, exactly. The
Maybe
whole.
we still late about the. Yeah.
It was difficult to navigate through Algeria.
Yeah.
You didn't get any marriage proposals in Algeria still? I hear they
Are we
married
going
at
there?
least 2 wives. I
Are we
hear
going there? Are we
oh,
going
come
there?
on, Sal. You complained about me getting marriage proposals.
No, but you
Marriage
know,
proposal?
yeah, my
What?
my my ex-husband is Algerian. Abby, I'm sharing
Oh,
this with you.
Oh.
So
oh, yeah.
yes. So
Wow.
you know,
That's
Oh.
interesting.
see,
Oh.
as